Whih Youtuber. I decided to start a new series called I'm drawing YouTubers, as you saw on the title also. I wanted to give it a try and start a series like this and see that if you guys gonna like it or not. Then you can just say me that which YouTuber you want me to draw and I can just pick randomly and talk about them meanwhile I am painting them. So that's what we are gonna do today. Well, those YouTubers that I'm drawing today, their channel names KocaKari Ansiklopedisi, I leave it here. And they are doing prank videos, but not like
I put ketchup on me and my girlfriend is dumb enough to think that I'm that
kinda pranks. They really care what they are doing and they really put everything in it. Even I am scared when I'm watching their videos, and I'm so glad that I'm not living close to them because they will do these jokes to me and I will really shit on my friend. As usual, I'm using my watercolor and trying to do very simple painting. Actually, I'm not gonna get into big details, I'm not gonna spend so much time on it, I'm just gonna keep it simple. Putting my base color first and adding some shadows on it after. As you see, they both have very characteristic face. She has these amazing curly hairs, belongs to like 5 or 6 people in total, probably. Too much hair going on there. Must be super hard to deal with it, but it's worth it. Look at it, it's just amazing. I'm jealous now, yeah. And this guy, his name is Volkan. As you see, he has a super characteristic face also, like very big mouth and like very flat nose, which make my job easier, that I don't have to try very hard for the drawing to look like him. Even that it doesn't really look like him, at least it's like recognizable, and that's enough satisfaction for me. Whenever I paint the hair, I always put way lighter color than it is actually. Probably it's because I'm afraid to like mess it with very dark color, so I'm going secure. That's what I do. And Melissa also. Melissa has way darker, like almost black hair, so I'm getting darker and darker by the time. I don't want to put so much detail on clothes. Just assume that they are wearing a white t-shirt and put little shadow on it and it looks good enough. I decided to add this little detail on the bottom. Like they are the king of the prank videos for me at least, so I thought the crown can match with the thought of me, so here we go. Now I try to add some little details, and you know, maybe you know that I love little details, and if you leave me I will spend like a day just putting little touches and touches, but I have to stop in one point because I am like messing the painting after a while. It's better to don't touch a lot and leave it the way it is. So I think it's more or less good. Looks cute, they look like energetic and happy on the painting, like actually they are in real life also, so I'm satisfied. Well, I hope you guys liked the video and enjoyed the painting as well. Don't forget to give them and me a follow on Instagram if you feel like. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, comment below and like the video if you like it. I'll see you guys very soon. Let me know what you think about a series like this and which YouTuber you want me to draw next. Ciao!